The DeWalt Metal Shear Attachment, model D-Wash-RE-R, is a versatile cutting tool designed for various materials. However, users frequently encounter several common issues that can affect performance and safety. This attachment connects to most 18-volt to 20-volt drills and impact drivers, featuring a 360-degree swivel head for cutting various materials, including sheet metal, vinyl siding, and steel mesh. The first major issue users encounter is fitting and compatibility problems. Despite being advertised as compatible with most 18 to 20 volt drills, many users find the attachment doesn't fit snugly or securely on their specific drill models. Excessive vibration is another common problem that not only makes the tool harder to control but also poses serious health risks. Poor fitting connections often lead to increased vibration, which can cause hand-arm vibration syndrome and other repetitive strain injuries. The most frequent complaints involve cutting performance, especially when working with ribbed or corrugated metal. The attachment often gets stuck on the ribs and produces wavy, uneven edges. While it excels at cutting thin, flat sheet metal, performance significantly diminishes on uneven or textured surfaces. Understanding these common issues is essential for effective use of the DeWalt Metal Shear Attachment. Fitting problems, excessive vibration, and cutting performance limitations can all impact the quality and efficiency of your work, making it important to know when and how to address these challenges. When experiencing fit issues with your DeWalt Metal Shear Attachment, proper alignment is crucial. Always check that the attachment is correctly positioned before tightening, and follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to ensure proper thread engagement. Excessive vibration can be addressed by trying different drill or impact driver models. Some tools simply provide better compatibility with the shear attachment. Always check your tool's balance and maintain a proper grip to minimize vibration transfer. When cutting ribbed metal, the DeWalt attachment may struggle. Make multiple passes for thick ribs and work slowly. For consistently cleaner cuts on ribbed surfaces, consider specialized shears from brands like Malco or Ket, which are designed specifically for this type of material. To minimize wavy edges, maintain a steady hand with consistent pressure throughout the cut. If your model allows, adjust the blade tension for different materials. Always practice on scrap material first to get a feel for the proper technique. Safety is paramount when using power tools. Always wear appropriate protective equipment, including gloves and eye protection. Take frequent breaks to reduce the risk of vibration-related injuries. Regular inspection and maintenance of your attachment will ensure optimal performance and longevity.